Okay, student, in this video, I am going to explain exercise 1.3 sum number 11. This is also based on composition of functions and algebra of functions. Very easy problem only. If f, g, h are real valued functions, what is the meaning of real valued function? They can take real value as input. Define on capital R, that means real values. Then prove that f plus g circle h, f plus g bracket close circle h is equal to f circle h plus g circle h. This is the thing you have to prove first. Second one, what can you say about f circle g plus h? Justify your answer. So f circle g plus h பற்றி நீ என்ன சொல்ல போற? Okay, justify your answer. That means you should do some example to justify this answer. Okay, three parts are there. First you have to take this one, then you have to prove this one. Then f circle g plus h, where it becomes f circle g plus f circle h, that's what they are asking. Okay, then you have to prove. Whether it is not there, you have to prove. Okay, now first part is very easy. We will take the LHS and we will prove the RHS. F circle g, f plus g circle h of x, because x I can take it as input. So this look like f of f circle g, like this. It look like f circle g of x. Instead of x we have f plus g. Instead of x, x only. Instead of g, h. So it is what is the definition of this one? F of g of x. F of means this fully f. So f of g of x. So h of x. This is input to this f plus g function. Now this one like addition of two functions, algebra functions. See, algebra functions are one small thing I have to tell. F plus g of x means f of x plus g of x. Simple addition. So similarly here f of x means this fully x. So f of h of x plus g of h of x. Algebra of functions. This is algebra of functions. F plus g of x means f of x plus g of x. Anyway, I will teach that part also later. Just small things. If f plus g of x means f of x plus g of x, f minus g of x means f of x minus g of x, f by g of x means f of x by g of x. Simple algebra. Fg into x is f of x into g of x. Okay, like that. This is algebra of functions. Now, so this is f of h of x plus g of h of x. Now this f of h of x, I can write f circle h of x. Correct only, no? And plus this is g circle h of x. So that is nothing but f circle h plus g circle h. Okay. So f plus g circle h is nothing but, if you remove this h, x here, f plus g circle h is nothing but f circle h plus g circle h. So that is true. That is true. So first part is very simple. F plus g of h of x, use the algebra of functions like f of x plus g of x. Then f of h of x is nothing but f circle h of x. This is g circle h of x. So first part we proved. So if you remove x on both the sides, this is the answer. X you are taking as an input. Okay. So first part is proved. Now what about second part you see here? Second part, you have to prove this one. F circle g circle h. Well, what is the answer we are getting means f circle, okay, g plus h of x means this is f circle g of x. So f of இது உள்ள இன்புட்டுக்கு போயிடும். Previously f plus g h of x உள்ள போயிடுச்சு. இப்போ f of g plus h of x உள்ள போயிடும். Then f of, again this is algebra of functions. g of x plus h of x. ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆட் பண்ணி போட்டா போதும். So this is not equal to f circle g plus f circle h. Like previously we did know, this one is not same. இது எஃப்க்குள்ளே ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்குது, இது எஃப் வெளியாக இருக்குது. அதனால இது you cannot write this one as f circle g plus f circle h. It's not possible. Okay, but why it is not possible Anadi? You should justify your answer. You should take some example and you should justify your answer. Otherwise it is wrong. You should take one example, then you should justify your answer. So this is first one is easy, we proved. Second one also easy. இதுக்கு உள்ள ப்ராக்கெட்டில் algebra functions apply பண்ணுங்க, like g of x plus h of x. So f circle g of x plus this, it won't come. Okay, f circle g plus f circle h won't come. It is not equal to f circle g plus f circle h. So students, we have to prove that one. So by taking LHS and RHS, we have to prove both are not equal. Okay students, now we will prove by taking one example. See here. Now what is the example I am taking is, see here, example I am taking f of x is equal to x plus 3, g of x x square, h of x x minus 4. Students, you can take any example, that doesn't matter. Okay, now first LHS I am doing f circle g plus h. So f circle g plus h of x. Okay, so it is like f circle g of x. So f of g of x. So instead of g, this fully it is there. Then inside this bracket apply the algebra of functions. This is g of x plus h of x. F of what is g of x? X square plus what is h of x? X minus 4. So inside this bracket you will get x square plus x minus 4. Now how it would look like? இப்போ இது பார்க்கிறது எப்படி இருக்கு? f of x மாதிரி இருக்கு. அப்போ f of x டெஃபினேஷன்ல xக்கு பதிலா இது ஃபுல்லா நீங்க சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணணும். அப்போ what is definition of f of x? 2x plus 3. So instead of x, this fully you should put 2 into this fully you should put plus 3. Now open the bracket, multiply with 2, 2x square plus 2x minus 4 plus 3. Plus 3 is this plus 3. Now 2x square plus 2x minus 8 plus 3. So 2x square minus 2x minus 5. This is first part, LHS part. Then you have to show that this is not equal to f circle g plus f circle h. This is not equal to f circle g plus f circle h. You have to prove. So how will you prove that one? You see here. You see here. Now f circle g plus f circle h. F circle g means f of g of x. If you want, you can put x also here, that doesn't matter. Plus f of h of x. Now f of what is g of x? X square. G of x, this x square. X square they already given, no? G of x you see here, x square. So that x square you have to put here, x square. Plus f of x minus 4. So it look like what now? F of x. This is also f of x. But instead of x, x square is there. Instead of x, x minus 4 is there. So again go to f of x definition. F of x, what is the definition? 2x plus 3. So instead of x, you should go to x square. Then 2 into x square, because this is stomach la irukku x. So x square plus 3 plus inge stomach la irukku x minus 4 x. 2x, 2 into this fully x minus 4 plus 3. Now 2x square plus 3 plus 2x minus 8 plus 3. So 2x square plus 2x minus 8 plus 6. So minus 2. So from 1 and 2, these two are not equal. Okay students. Okay. If you like this channel, please subscribe this channel. Okay, bye.